Go to edu.glogster.com. Click on Login and use the login information that your teacher gives you. Click on Create New Glog. You're going to want to use either a vertical or a horizontal glog like you see here. Choose one of those. I'm going to choose a vertical glog, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to start creating. There will be things on your screen that you don't really need. You can very easily delete them. This X button will close that out. You can click on this and put it in the trash can. When you get ready to add various different things, you're going to go to the plus sign up here in the upper left. This little black bar comes up. Text is pretty obvious. You can write in your text. If you want just plain text, you're going to use one of these. If you want it in a bubble or some kind of design, then you can choose one of these to put it in. You'll have to choose the correct direction. You can rotate it a little bit, but you can't flip it right to left. You're going to go up. You can also add graphics. Graphics depending on what you're working on. Notice we've got different subject matter here. You can have just various different art forms that you want to do depending on what it is that you're looking for. You might just want something that allows you to have an arrow or something pointing to something that makes something more show up as more important. So those are graphics. Just think of like clip art here. Images, you can add your own image. You need to go and actually upload them. If you go through Google right here, you will not get a URL and you will not be able to document your source. You're going to need to make sure that you can document your source, so you're going to want to go through this upload button. You can go out on the web and find it and then save it. You can either save it in your documents or on your desktop, whichever you prefer. Just remember where you've saved it, and then you can actually put it in. This is a picture that I have saved, so I'm going to choose it. When I choose the picture, I can add a frame around it if I want it to have more importance, or if I want it to perhaps look more interesting, make it more noticeable, and then I can use it and I can bring it in. When I bring it in, I can resize it very easily with these sizing handles. These are the rotating handles. Allows you to move it around on the page very easily. You can pick it up. If you want to get rid of it, remember that all you have to do is that trash can button. It allows you to do different things here. You can get rid of the frame. You can add a shadow here. You can link it to a source if that's what your teachers ask you to do. So it gives you lots of different options. You can lock it in place. You can later unlock it. You can layer your images so that you bring the right one to the foreground. And if you want to rotate it, you just get on it a little bit there. Then we're going to go back up here to where we've got some more options. Wall is our background. Again, you can choose an image or you can go to their gallery. They've got lots of different things to choose from in the gallery, and you can choose one that you like that goes with your theme, or you can choose a solid color as well. And then if I'm going to use this one, and I can then when the background comes in, you can just get out of this and you've got your background in. You can add titles, you can do whatever you need to make it look good and organized. Obviously, when you get ready to save, you're going to come up here to this Save button. You're going to choose it. You're going to give it a name, and you're going to name it your name, so that your teacher will know which one is yours. So put your name here. Don't name it by topic. Put your name. It automatically defaults to no category. That's fine. You can choose your grade. Right now, it's probably going to be unfinished the first day, and then you're going to choose Save, and the glog is being saved. Okay, make sure that you remember your nickname or username and then the password. You can work on these at home if you don't finish it tomorrow or whatever time you have in class, and you can just log on the same way we did here. I hope you enjoy using Glogster.